Hey everybody, I'm back for another skinning tutorial. Today, as you see, we're going to skin a coon. So come along. I use my case trapper, like a 3-inch blade. I always use my little chain with my 2 snaps on it, and I have a rag to clean up with when I'm done. So most of the time I do this in the field, and I do it, I throw this chain around a tree like as big as your arm. But today I'm going to hang from the tractor because we're in the man cave. So, all right, let's get started. This is a boar coon, so we got some things to play around. But first cut, back leg, right down to the bottom, other side. And then use your thumbs, both thumbs, left and right hand. Stick it in there, push it down 2 or 3 times each side. We're gonna case him out. Other thumb, push it in there. The coon have quite a bit of fat. They're easier to skin than your fox and your mink and things. So, other side. You're actually separating the hide from the meat. Pull those up. And we're going to use his Achilles tendons to hang him up. Like I say, most of the time I do that on a tree out in the woods. We're going to work down to his tail. I should have done this in the beginning on the ground. You can pull quite a bit on a coon. Their hide's really tough. We're going to work all the way around his tail and get underneath it. Use your fingers and push underneath his tail. This is a big boar coon, so he's a little bit tougher than a sow. A sow will be easier to skin. Work that tail down inside out. You kind of feel it kind of stops. Kind of give it one ring around that, and then I shut my knife and I use that straight edge of the knife underneath his tail, in between a couple fingers. That's what it's going to look like. It's in between my middle finger and my ring finger. I'm going to use that as a straight edge to strip his tail out. You don't need a stripper. You gotta have a little finesse and a little power. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn and pull all at the same time, just like that. Strips his tail out every time. Let's just case him down and pull him out. One front leg, push your thumb through it. We use our thumbs a lot, skinning. Thumb through there. Those are both of his front legs. Just cut them off. Now you're down to his head. I want steady pressure and a sharp knife. Roll that. You can see where the hide meets the skull. Steady pressure. This coon was shot in the head, so we're going to have a bullet hole here or 2. Right there's an ear. Open that ear up so you can stick a finger in it. Make great handles. There's the other ear. Just a little tick of the knife. I'm going to use my ring finger and my index finger. Put them in them ears. Great handles. We're gonna come down to the eyes and stay tight to the eye. You don't want your eye holes the size of quarters. You want them small. A little more steady pressure. Right down to his nose. We're just gonna cut his nose off. That coon's skinned. Rolling back inside out. One skin coon. Have a good day.